guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new, and today, sorry, Hudson is laying here on the floor and he is trying to get my tripod. Today we are going to be doing a get it all done type video. I have a lot of things I need to do today and I'm taking you guys along with me. So here's kind of a little recap of our day so far. So Emmy went to gymnastics camp. This is her third week of gymnastics camp. She's loved it. So I got her all ready for that, fed her breakfast, sent her out the door and on her way. Andrew typically drops her off and takes Oakley with him, and I stay home with Hudson, get some work done, and also put Hudson down for his first nap of the day.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark.
Once I got Emmy out the door and on her way to gymnastics, then I kind of got myself ready for the day. I fixed myself some breakfast. I made 2 fresh sourdough loaves yesterday, and so I had cinnamon toast for breakfast.
Eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can.
And then I also am in the process of power pumping, starting that today. So here's a little explanation about what that is and why I'm doing it. I'm being quiet because Hudson's still asleep. But we are going on a trip here in a couple weeks, and it's like a business treat / retreat for Young Living. Andrew and I are going, and we are leaving all the kids with grandparents, including Hudson. So I am still nursing Hudson, and I need to build a stash, a freezer stash for him. I've been pumping for the last couple months, and I've only been getting like about 6 ounces a day, and I need to increase that. I need to start getting more because I don't have quite enough, and I only have a couple more weeks left. So what I'm doing today, starting today, is I am power pumping. So that means that you take an hour, you pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10, pump for 10, rest for 10, pump for 10. So I just pumped for 10. I've already done 20, then I rested. Now I just did 10. I'm obviously not getting very much, but the point is to act my baby cluster feeding, which is going to make me like start producing more. So that's what we're doing right now. Hudson's still asleep, but I need to wake him up.
Eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just want.
And then once all of that was done and Hudson was up, it was time to pick up Emmy from her camp, and then I also needed to run a few errands. My mother-in-law came over and picked up Oakley and took her to her house just for a few hours, which is really nice, just to get him out of the house, but also gives us a little chance to get things done. I left, well, I haven't left yet, but I left Hudson with Andrew, and I am on my way right now to pick up Emmy from gymnastics camp, and then I'm gonna take her with me to run an errand. Did you have a fun time today? Mm-hmm. All right, well, we are gonna go to Michael's right now. Does that sound good? You gonna come with me? we're gonna go and get a like craft cart, I think is what it's called. IKEA has them too. I think they call theirs bar carts. It's a cart. And we are going to put that in our dining room because that is gonna be our homeschool room. Emmy starts homeschool in a couple of weeks, end of the month, and we're gonna do homeschooling in our dining room. And I just wanna set up like a cart with her curriculum, you know, some art supplies or like crayons and things like that. And so we're gonna go get that to get that kind of set up today. After we went to Michael's and picked up everything we needed, we made a stop at Chick-fil-A. And Emmy, what did you get?
Chicken salad.
She got a chicken sandwich. Normally she gets a kid's meal with chicken nuggets, but today she wanted a grown-up chicken sandwich. So that's what she got. Was it good? Yeah?
I only ate the bread.
Oh.
The bottom bread and the top bread.
How about the chicken? You didn't eat any chicken? Not any at all?
No more.
You did eat some? Okay. And then I got the chicken kale Caesar salad. I've only ever had it one time before, but it was so good, so got that again. So I got that cart, and I'm gonna put that together here in just a second. But I also grabbed a few other things from Michael's. So I got some shirts. These are just plain shirts. It's the Bella and Canvas brand, which I have a couple other shirts that I've bought from other places, and I like this brand a lot. So I'm gonna use my Cricut, not today, but eventually, to just make some cute shirts. I got this for something that I'm going to show you guys in just a second for Emmy's birthday party. And then I also got some cardstock that goes with it. All right, so it is dinner time, and I'm gonna be cooking a Green Chef meal for our family. I'm gonna show you which one in just a second. I know y'all know that we love HelloFresh, and we've been using them for years now. Green Chef is actually now owned by HelloFresh, and so we like to go back and forth between the two. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company, and they offer a variety of dishes for different lifestyles: keto, vegetarian, vegan, paleo. I am a busy mom of 3. I am a working stay-at-home mom. I don't have a lot of time to be cooking, but I also want to provide my family with home-cooked, healthier meals. And so Green Chef definitely helps me out there. Everything comes pre-packaged, pre-portioned, and mostly prepped and delivered straight to my door, so I don't have to go to the grocery store. I don't have to meal plan. Each recipe is really easy to follow, but it's always delicious. We have always had delicious meals. So this is the meal that we are going to make tonight. It's harissa spiced chicken. That looks delicious. And then on the back, here are the easy to follow instructions. And then these are the other 2 meals that we got: chorizo spiced pork burgers and hoisin beef bowls. Everything you need comes in this little baggie, as well as your meat. Green Chef gave me a discount code to give to my subscribers. So if you go to greenchef.us and use the code simplyally100, you'll get $100 off plus free shipping on your first box. I don't know if I've already mentioned this, but I'm gonna be homeschooling Emmy for kindergarten this year. I am playing it 1 year at a time. We're gonna see how it goes and then reevaluate after the year's over. But for now, that's what we're doing. So here is the cart right here. I'm in you lost it. I'm in the dining room, and that's where we're gonna do our homeschooling. So I just put the cart in the corner for now because that's the doorway entrance, and when you walk in that way, you can't see this little corner over here, so it'll be kind of out of the way. So here is her school books that she has so far. I have more curriculum that is in the mail right now, but this is her letters and numbers and like reading simple words. I'm using The Good and the Beautiful. This was highly recommended by some people that I trust, and I really like what I've seen so far of it. And then this is a nature book, also from The Good and the Beautiful, and this we'll be able to like go outside and identify things out in nature. I'm really excited about this one. And then this is her math, and I just really love it. I think it's really cute and simple, which I am all about. And then this is just some things to help her with math. It came with the curriculum. It's also very affordable curriculum. And then this is a little reading book. So this is not how this is going to be set up. I'm going to get all of my curriculum in here and then kind of figure out how I want to lay this out. I'm also going to get a caddy from the dollar store. My goodness, you're being loud. Did you lose it again? There you go. I'm going to get a caddy from the dollar store and fill it with crayons and scissors, glue, so that if we have anything that requires art supplies, I can just grab the caddy out of here, and then we'll see what else I need to put in this. And then there's something else. This is a Melissa and Doug magnetic daily calendar, and I love Melissa and Doug. Emmy's gonna learn the days of the week, months, dates, weather, temperature, holidays coming up in this month, and I love this part right here. She gets to tell me how she's feeling. So this is magnetic, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put it up here on the wall above the cart. That way Oaks can't get a hold of it, and Emmy can just climb up on a chair and switch things around when she needs to. I was homeschooled for all of my life except for 1st and 2nd grade. So I kind of have experience being the student, not necessarily being the teacher, but my experienced homeschool mamas, give me your tips, give me your like setup tips. I want to keep this though super simple. I'm still a full-time work from home mom, so I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible, yet make it the best experience for me and Emmy. So if you guys have any tips, I welcome them. Leave them in the comments for me. Here's a little sneak peek of Emmy's birthday party coming up. That's all you're gonna get for now, because I will do a YouTube video of me setting up the party. And then there's even some more stuff under here. It's gonna be fun. And I did all this pretty affordably, actually. What a day. The kids are all in bed, and we've just been tidying up the house a little bit because it's a little messy. and we went through the fridge and got out all of the expired food and things like that. So I didn't show all that because we just needed to like get it done. But we have just been productive all day today, got a lot done, a lot checked off of my to-do list that I wanted to get done. So that feels really good. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and coming along. Hope that this video was inspiring or motivating, or if nothing else, just entertaining. But I appreciate you guys being here a lot. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did that now and joined our YouTube family. You can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. And don't forget to check out Green Chef. I have that link and the code in the description box below. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.